First, you will start by locating the headlight bulb. You will want to twist it counterclockwise. Next, you will disconnect the wiring harness by pulling the red tab. The fitment is snug, so a flathead screwdriver may be helpful. Before installing the LED bulb, you will want to make adjustments so that the LED bulb is positioned correctly. Twist the base to adjust the position. When you have finished adjusting the position, reinsert the screw and tighten. You can use the stock bulb as a reference for positioning. Once you have finished adjusting the LED bulb, reinsert the LED bulb into the stock housing and twist clockwise. Next, you will want to reconnect the wiring harness. We used a zip tie to secure the wires and give it a cleaner look.